Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the start of another vlog. We are in Lindsay County, California. We're here to bring you the magic of the world's largest olive. There it is in all its majesty, the world's largest olive. There it is. Scenic palm trees behind it, some scenic mountains back there too. And the olive. You can actually look into the olive here and look out the other side. Alright, so yes, welcome back to my channel. Just gonna jump you right in there with the giant olive. So we are headed to Sequoia National Park. We have just finished up the first few days of our trip, which were in San Luis Obispo and Paso Robles, right on the highway here. But this is the best place to film and tell you about this stuff. So anyway, so we stopped to see the giant wood carvings here. We were headed in. We were staying in Three Rivers, but we can't check into our place until 4. It's about 2. We're gonna head up to the visitor center, get some information from the park rangers, and then see what we're gonna do from there. We have dinner reservations at Wuxachi Lodge, which is like one of the lodges in the park. And then we're doing 2 guided programs tonight. So one is through the Sequoia Conservancy, and that is the Golden Hour hike. And then the second one, we couldn't get in. They ended up canceling theirs. They had a night sky program. So we found through, I want to say it's Tall Trees is the name of his photography company. His name's Scott. So we got recommendation from a recommendation. So we're gonna do a night sky program tonight in the park too. So lots to look forward to. Very excited. We've never been to Sequoia. It's our 3rd time trying to make it out here and the first time that it actually worked. There you go. All right, so we stopped to see these like wooden sculptures. We have the bear here. And down here we have the buffalo. And over here, these are not labeled, so I don't know who these people are here. This person here. There's a little walkway here. Let's go this way. We have another Native American here. The eagle looks pretty cool. And then the one that is labeled is John Muir over here. Alright, here is John Muir. He's got his name. We don't know who the other people are. It says Sequoia here. So we are almost to Sequoia National Park. Okay, we're at the Three Rivers Historical Museum, which includes some very important things like the fall of Rome, the birth of Christ, the birth of Paul Bunyan, and then of course Paul Bunyan opening his restaurant. All the essentials here, friends, all the essentials. So what we've got here is this Paul Bunyan who was carved out of a single log of a 2,000-year-old giant sequoia, which seems maybe it fell down on natural causes and we shouldn't be too upset about it, but there he is. He's very large. This is not how I imagined Paul Bunyan to look. This is after he opened his restaurant, I think. Yeah. So here's Paul Bunyan. This is Tunnel Rock. It's on a road, as you can see here, that ends here, but you used to be able to drive underneath it, and apparently some trucks scratched it, so we're gonna go look at that. Okay. That's our private river view. And then here's our little sitting area. And here's our house. So this is where we are staying the next 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow. Look at this. Oh my God. It is so cool. All right, let's figure out what's in these doors here. That's the bathroom. Okay. Bathroom, shower, I guess. We have a shower in here? The lights are a little slow to come on. Oh, yep, shower around the corner. Okay. Back out here, there's this beautiful sitting area here. Window seat, you can see the river. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. And this is like if Kristen Malone and I had a forest getaway. This is what it would be. Here we go into the kitchen. Beautiful. All brand new looking. Nice stove and fridge. We got a Keurig and a coffee maker. It's a Ninja coffee maker. And then let's go upstairs and I'll show you the bedroom. It's up these stairs. So here we go, up these steps. Bad news is that's the only bathroom down there. So if you have to pee in the middle of the night, you do have to come back down. But this is the bedroom. It's this little loft here. Window there. Hi, that's me. Damn, this place is beautiful. I just can't get over it. It is just so nice. Perfect for 2 people and some writing that's gonna get done on my behalf. All right, we're headed up to the lodge to get dinner. And right now, it's now down to 82. It was 84 when we left our place. Now we've been driving for like 5 minutes. It's 82. We're gonna see what it is when we get to the top of the mountain where the lodge is. To the top. It is 51 degrees according to this, and you can see in front of our car, yes, that is snow. We are at the top at the lodge and we're gonna go get some dinner, and I'm super hungry, so it's gonna be great. Right, it is time for the guided hike. We just ran here. Dinner was delicious, but they were very, very busy, so waiting for the check at the end took a little bit longer, so we made it. We're almost there. I do have a hoodie, don't worry, but I'm very warm right now. of a tree. We're going into the tree. Oh, wow. You can go all the way through. It's so quiet in here. Oh my goodness. Can you see? I'm not gonna go that way because he said it's very muddy over there, but that's so cool. Hello everybody, it is Tuesday morning. No, it's Tuesday afternoon. It's like 1 o'clock. We are here up in the park. It took us about an hour, a little over an hour to get up here. And we are up at the, not the tippy top, but the close to where we were for last night for the lodge. And we are headed out to do the waterfall hike, hopefully. See what happens here. The parking area that we thought we could park at is closed. So we're parked a little bit further back. So it's gonna be a little bit longer hike than we wanted, but it's supposed to be beautiful at the end. You can hear the river here. So hopefully that means the falls are flowing as well. Hello everybody, it's a little after 4. We are here on the General Sherman Trail right now. It's downhill all the way to the tree and then uphill all the way back to your car. So that's gonna suck, 200 feet of elevation to come back up this. If you can see behind me, it's gonna be all uphill, but it's supposed to be the largest tree, magnificent. We had a great time at the Falls Trail. It was beautiful. It was a little crowded, but not bad. Then we stopped, had some lunch. Now we're gonna hit this, and there's one more thing I wanna see on the way out of the park, hopefully if we have the time. So we'll see how long this takes. Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday morning. Regrettably, we're departing here in like a little over an hour. But I'm going to try to write a little bit, even if I just write 500 words of this freaking scene. I'm going to sit down here and write it right now. That's my plan. Husband's packing stuff up, and then we have to get out of here at 11. It's about 10 right now. But all I have wanted to do those 2 days we've been here, I don't even know if you can hear me over the river. 2 days we've been here, all I wanted to do is sit and write by the river here. And I'm finally doing it. Here we go. Look at that. That's a note from me. There's a kayaker and 2 rafters coming down. This is too much for me. Alright, it's time to go pack up. I wrote over 1,000 words, and if we didn't have to leave, I would still be sitting here. Also, my battery's dying, so that was part of it, but got into a really good groove. The scene, I've been dreading it, and now that I'm writing it, it's making me very emotional. I don't know what to do about that, so hopefully we can find a place to write when we get into slow, but we are going to get packed up and get on the road. I'm not ready to say goodbye. I know these trash signs probably mean like take care of your stuff for bears will come, but I like it that it's like we're taking care of the bears by not letting them get food poisoning.